make your Wix website scrollable. So what I've done here is I've just clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now from the left hand side, we will click on add elements and then go to strip and choose the type of strip that you want to add. You can either add a blank one and insert your own image from it, or we can add a preset one, and again we can change it to our image or to the one that we need. So this is what it's going to look like. Now what we can do is, like I said, we can change the background by clicking on change background, and then we can change the image here. But the thing that we actually need to make this website scrollable is click on background scroll effects, and then here you should see parallax, which is the first one. As you can see, it moves up and down. So once selected, it's going to adjust it, and then if we click on preview here, it is going to take a little bit of time to actually load up our website, but as you can see, this makes it scrollable like this. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.